Hi friends, let me show you this KINGSTONE stainless steel flatware set. It has a really nice vintage carved design. Let me show you. The box in itself, it's really nice. You get some message from the seller. And let me show you the finish of the set. I hope you can see the nice design, really vintage, elegant design in the bottom part of each piece. This is the back. This is the front. And as you can see, you get 5 pieces for each person. 2 forks, a knife, and 2 spoons. Okay? And it is not only really pretty, it is dishwasher safe. So you can clean it really easily. This is a 20 pieces set, so it's enough for a 4 dinner party. Okay. Okay, here you have the other knives, the large forks. Small forks and the spoons. Okay, so this is really nice for a very nice occasion, a formal dinner, a Christmas dinner, Thanksgiving. If you want a really nice set for special occasions, this one is a great fit. Thank you.